Hey guys, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you hit my YouTube channel and saw some of the videos that I posted before. I'm going on a 10-day trip to Portugal, and I talked about Mi Mochilita, my backpack, and this is my backpack, okay? And I'm taking everything that I need inside the backpack. So in my last video, I mentioned how everything that I'm taking it inside one of these blocks, clothing blocks that helps you organize clothes. And so I take all the clothes inside of one of those. You can actually, I've gone for 14-15 days, so you can actually use two. In my case, for this trip, I'm not taking a lot of heavy stuff because it's still summer over there, so I'm just gonna take one, and I'm taking a second one empty. So that way, whatever dirty clothes I have, I switch from the clean one to the dirty one. So that way, everything is on one of those blocks. So, have you ever played Tetris? I have. And so when you're packing to go on a trip like this, it's pretty much the same concept. You have to figure out how to fit everything inside one of these things. And here, I just put 11 underwears, 11 socks, 11 tops, 4 pants, and a pair of shorts. Everything fits there. It's rolled up military style, what it's called. And so don't go nowhere, or actually watch the next video, because I'm gonna put all this, I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna put it inside my backpack so you can see how it fits in there. So watch the next video.